Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Portronics Adapto 20. This is a 20-watt Type-C charger with fast charging capabilities. The front of the package features the product itself in plastic molding, and there are some key features at the bottom. The key features are 20-watt power delivery, fast charging, Type-C USB port. It says here that it is faster than old chargers, and it can be used to charge new iPhones. On the back of the package, we can see some more detailed technical specifications. The specifications include an input voltage of 100 to 240 volts, an output voltage of 12 volts or 1.67 amperes, 9 volts at 2.2 amperes or 5 volts at 3 amperes. It has a USB Type-C port. It also shows off the dimensions of the product and the weight of the product. Here we can see some of the manufacturing and importing details of the product. Below it we can see the customer support information, and here we can see the warranty. Please consult the Amazon product page for all relevant information regarding the warranty. On the top here we can see that the adapter is capable of 20 watts of total output. The product is also BIS certified. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Now that we have the product out of the box, let's see what we have. There's some Portronics branding on the top of the product, and there's a shiny white finish all around it. The USB Type-C port is at the back, and there are some key specifications regarding the power output and input on the front. We can also see the BIS certification to the right here and its max power output. This has been the unboxing of the Portronics Adapto 20. Thank you for watching.